Hello everybody, this is your man Jason F. Smith, creator of Shades of Intimacy and the Modern Day Warrior, found at jasonfsmith.com. Welcome to the Shades of Intimacy Daily Download Edition, where today's topic is giving the cat his medicine. So sit back, relax, and welcome to the Daily Download. So this evening, my son's girlfriend has asked me to feed their cat. Go over, feed their cat. They're out of town. They'll be back tomorrow, but feed their cat tonight. And he takes a little bit of wet food, and you got to give him a little medicine. A little pill, half a pill, you put it in there. So I get the pill, put it in the cat food, real stinky wet cat food, squish a little bit in there, put it down, and he eats everything. So I'm like, that just worked perfectly. So I thought, I'll go give him the rest of the cat food in the can, because now he's taking his medicine. I can let him do that. So I go to do that, and I notice that actually he's eaten everything except for the little white pill. He's found a way to kind of lick everything off of it. It's a real small pill too, right? And he just missed it. So boom, more cat food, put it in there. Stinky stuff, pack it into a little hamburger of cat food with a pill in the middle, set it down. He goes right after, eats the whole thing. Does the exact same thing. Do it again. Does the exact same thing. So I take the pill because there's a couple other cats in the area, and I throw it away, and the cat's just not going to get his medicine tonight. We'll see if I can get it to him tomorrow. But he just won't eat it. And I was thinking about this. How often do we go to so much efforts to avoid taking our medicine? Like, I mean, he licked everything around, but he just did not want to take this pill. And how many times is that me? How many times is that me going, I am going to act like I'm in the game. I'm in the game here. I have got my head in the bowl. I am chomping away. And anyone from the outside is going, look at him. He's eating his medicine. He's doing his work. He is doing great. But guess what? I've done everything except take that medicine. From the outside, it looks perfect, but until you come check the results, then you look and go, whoa, Jason, you did not take your medicine. So how does this apply? How does it apply in relationship? Well, it's obvious, isn't it? How many times do I put on the big act? I do all the work. I get to work. I put my head in the bowl. I look like I've cleaned everything, but I haven't done that one thing that's going to make the difference. And then someone calls me on my bullshit. They come up and they go, Jason, you did not take your medicine. You did not do the thing that you're actually really here for. You've done everything but that. In relationship, how many times have I made it look like I was the hero? How many times have I done all the work so I could say, look, everyone, I did the work, except for the thing that actually would have mattered to her. Full disclosure, it's a manipulative, sneaky ass place to be. And now let's look at this cat, right? The cat probably wasn't really thinking about what he was doing. It was probably more by sheer jackass luck. But subconsciously, how often does that apply to us? So the lesson in all this is, hey, how many times am I avoiding doing the thing I need to do in relationship, and yet making it look like I've done the work? Oh my God, I'm clean. I can leave this situation feeling like I've done my part. And whether subconsciously or consciously, lying my ass off, bullshitting the world, no, I did not take my medicine. No, I did not humble myself. No, I did not check my ego. No, I did not do the fucking work. Does anybody relate? Does anybody relate to the other side? When someone does a masterful job of making it look like they did the work, and you know deep down that you didn't, and you call them on it, and they're like, oh, offended. I'm offended. I've done all this work and you didn't see it. So what's the lesson? What's the lesson again here? Have you ever done everything except for the one thing that you knew mattered? Have you ever lied like that? So it's time to get out your handy paper and pencil and start writing again. It's time to maybe go for a long walk, or time to hit your yoga mat and turn on the music and move. Whatever your preferred meditative process of digging through your own bullshit in relationship. Where's your bullshit? Where's the place where you made it look like you're the goddamn hero? Where is that place? That's my charge to you today. Get the paper and pencil out, take the walk, do the yoga, do the meditation, do whatever it takes to dig through your bullshit and find out where you are fucking lying. And you are making yourself look good so that you can say, I did the work, when all you're doing is lying, not only to your partner, possibly your children and your coworkers and your friends, your family, but to yourself. Ooh, today's daily download kind of hurts, doesn't it? Okay, brothers. Okay, sisters. You have your assignment, so now get after it. This is Jason F. Smith, signing off.